Shall we sojourn? What is going on?
Watch boys on tour.
Watch boys in Germany.
Yeah.
I am, of course, behind the helm. I've got precious cargo times 2. And, you know, off to the races we go.
This is going to be so good. My 2 favorite YouTubers gallivanting through Germany with their driver. I want to see Dee get arrested for speeding or something.
All right, why are we watching this? Who put this on my TV? I did not click on this. I repeat, I did not click on this. Wait a second, hold up. Is that TGV in the back seat? All right, we're in the office now, baby.
Oh, great. Another car video from the Hobby Man. At least the heavy hitters are in this one. Russell, I'd just love to run my fingers through that hair. Probably find a few tennis balls up in there.
We got this mad guy here, and another mad guy there.
And a bit of the GPS.
Yeah, a little bit of GPS, but that's all right. That's fine.
So that's a lovely, interesting conversation we're having.
Yeah, a bit of traffic ahead of us. We might stop and have some fun with the kangaroo. Give it a punch or 2.
Oh yeah.
Is that kangaroo?
Yeah, there's a kangaroo in a field.
Really?
Yeah, it's very surreal because it's just.
Is that like one of those, like whenever they used to buy pet alligators and release them in New York into the sewers? Someone brought a pet kangaroo and just let it loose in the field here? All right, so I'm in the kangaroo pound right here. I wonder if I can get a pet. He's right over there. He doesn't seem very large. Kangaroos will kick your butt like the adult ones. What? How did he get here? Who brought him here? Who's keeping him? Look at this. This is a fenced-in cage. I mean, he's got quite a bit to range. He's got his own waterway, but dang, it's kind of a pretty kangaroo house, I guess. I'm totally trespassing right now. But I had to do it. Ja, ist gut. Ist gut. Kommen Sie. Come on. To be fair, I was expecting something quite a bit larger. I wasn't expecting him to show his butt to me. But I have to say, pretty rad nonetheless. Kommen Sie. Hallo. Hallo. I was about to say, how do you say hello in Australian? Good day. Shout out to Tristano to pointing out this location. And there you have it. The German kangaroo.
That, you see, that's the correct use of Fraulein's, you know, that you don't belong here. You know?
That poor woman.
That's an inside joke no one will get except for the 3 people in this car. But that's fine.
Yeah. We've been having a lovely stay at Austal Hotel. Just so happens that when you get the buffet, you ought not to
sit where you're not wanted.
Yourself in the
heck
main
is that
dining room.
Yeah, that's an eagle.
That's a special bird, isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's doing its thing.
Got some wildlife here.
Yeah.
I guess I better watch the road.
Yeah, please do watch.
Might as well.
Please do watch the road. Oh my God.
Room, zoom, zoom, and a boom, boom. Shake your rump.
We can record this accident in glorious 4K as my face eviscerates.
Look,
itself.
you both had a good run.
Yeah. I've seen the factory now.
You've seen the factory
both,
as the geezer of this
both
group.
had a good run.
You've had a good run. You both found beautiful wives. I'm still single.
You know, that was interesting because you're very thankful and looking at the positive, while I'm concerned about my appearance being destroyed. You know?
Yeah, we can't hurt your moneymaker.
That's funny.
The long and winding road. So Russ, what can we do to encourage you to come to New York City? Because if you're coming to the States, I'm coming to New York City if you're coming to New York City.
I would need some brand sponsorship, I reckon.
All right, Hobby of Hours is looking to sponsor the Mad Watch.
That's the only way the wife's going to give me a free ticket.
Green light?
Yeah. Let's
workshop
find a
that.
brand that's going to do that.
Might ask BA
Oh, there's an update on the worldtimer.
Oh,
Oh,
What
here we
worldtimer?
go.
Finally, some watch content. I was about to take a snooze. I'll probably still take a snooze. Wrist check party of 3. And your table is ready. Looking for wrist check. Is there anyone here with a wrist check?
So because I'm in Germany, my wife is at home at the computer trying to purchase it. And
And that's something special. He's got the wife buying watches. That's awesome.
yeah, because
That's romance.
it's a what do you call it when it's, you know, it's like a timed release of a limited edition.
I think that's
what you call
exactly
it.
what you
Yeah.
saw there.
Oh, okay, fine.
think that's what it is.
Exactly
There
what
we
it
go.
is.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 That's got to be frustrating.
Time sensitive. That's why.
Yeah.
Are you
Time
able to
sensitive.
tell us the brand?
Yes. It's the sister brand of, you know, and it's all good. And a team of really talented,
Fabulous fellow.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
brilliant man.
very down to earth,
Yeah.
very passionate, very talented.
Yeah.
And I think that's kind of like Hanhart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, those are the best type of people to meet in this watch game. There's no ego. There's no nefarious. What do you call it?
There's
Ulterior motive.
Yeah, ulterior motive.
It's just, you know, they want to make good watches. They want to make a living making good watches
Yeah.
and making people happy, and that's
That is it.
and that is it. It's not much. Look at the clouds.
Yeah.
It's rather ominous.
Moody.
Moody, yeah.
Those clouds have been threatening to rain the past couple of days.
Moody.
We could stand with a spot of rain, to be fair.
What shall I say to my wife? Keep trying.
I'd reach out to or Tristan is one of the partners there,
Okay.
working with him.
And to be clear, my audience do know, but I'm Tristano.
Tristano.
Yeah.
Just so happens
still,
he shares
still
part
keep,
of your name.
Yeah, I still keep having people calling me Tristan. It's like, that's not my name.
What do they call you when you put in? If you were to go to Starbucks, you know how they famously get names wrong.
I just put T.
T.
Yeah. Big T.
Big D.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Okay, secrets. We keeping secrets now, gentlemen? Secrets are fun. That's no way to run a business. I can keep a secret. Pinky promise. What world timer is he getting? Cough up the goods, boys. Or else no ZD for any of you. You have my word.
And we're running.
Oh, you want to? Okay.
We're still running.
All right, cool.
But whenever it pops that error, it kills the app that I use.
That's annoying, isn't it?
Oh,
It's
it's
annoying.
so bloody annoying.
Is that an app for the sound interface or?
No,
What
it's,
is the app? What is it?
It's Pro something or another. It's really fabulous. It's $4 in the App Store.
Really?
$4?
Happy to turn you on to it. It's got amazing abilities to affect the shutter, the lighting. It's so brilliant. Couldn't shoot it. I don't care for the main Apple video feature,
Yeah.
but it's Pro RX or something or other. But it's fabulous. I've been meaning to ask you, Russell, about your tennis coaching.
Yeah.
Do you have any horror stories about terrible clients or
No, I don't have any
debutantes
horror stories.
hitting on their tennis instructor?
Oh, you get that a little bit.
Oh, you do?
Well, you get it's what's it called? It's like a fun flirt.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, I don't know what that is. I've never had that. So yeah, by all means.
It's a fun flirt. You can see it. You can see it a mile away. You can.
You can.
Yeah. Yeah. I haven't done it for a long time. You know, there's one girl. She tried to get a bit close.
Bit flirty with her instructor.
Yeah.
Can't have that.
Yeah.
Spoken for.
We've got a bad name, us tennis coaches.
That is true. That's why I wanted to explore it.
Yeah.
But you're a good chap. Can I tell you a secret?
Wait.
Yeah.
I was desperately trying to source a Radcliffe for one of our live streams. So whenever I did my wristwatch check, I could surprise you with it. There's this one fellow in France who wants 400 pounds,
Did he?
which I think is because they debuted at 250, if I recall.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I almost went with it.
Okay, I DM'd him.
Bit of fun.
Oh wow, he actually saw the message. I've tried 30.
Yeah, well, you don't see many of them
Times.
failed.
No.
There's not many people who've sold it.
No, onesies, twosies.
Yeah.
He's texting. He's texting. He's
He's
there.
texting, he's texting.
He's there.
Are you worried for yourself? You're holding on to that.
I quite like it. I quite like this handle.
Because if something happens, you know what
No,
I'm
I'm not saying. It's sticking out.
You're making me self-conscious
No,
about my
sorry,
driving.
man. No, it's nothing to do. Have you seen this handle? It's weird.
Yeah, I was doing the same thing.
I feel like it needs a trigger on it.
Yeah. When I'm in the car with such a driver, I do the same thing.
Excuse me.
I mean, for someone that's you've never been to Germany.
Yeah.
So you're doing very well.
I do enjoy.
I don't even know why I'm in this car.
Yeah.
I'm that.
Yeah, why are you in the car?
I'm in the car because they
Hanhart abandoned you.
they've changed the height. I think they're changing the hike slightly. And they're going to see the spots where they're.
Right.
Yeah, the hike spots for tomorrow's.
Yeah.
Who cares what these guys do in their free time? I make movies, cinema. I ride bikes and jump out of planes. I heard D didn't make it through half of the hike. Even the cows called him weak. He'll still be in the next Mission Impossible, though, as a sack of potatoes.
Shall I read his response?
Yeah, please.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, you do it.
I do want to hear about this. So, ciao. I'm so sorry to hear that. We are going to send you an invoice. Which email? Oh, okay.
There we go.
Yes, please. But do you mind sending it to my wife? My wife?
My wife.
The love of my life.
I don't know where that came from. As
Borat?
she is ordering it.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
Wife is buying a timepiece.
Very nice.
My wife has the credit card.
That is very true. I was going to say koala. It's not a koala. The kangaroo.
If there was a kangaroo next to the koala,
Yeah,
that'd be weird. It's more
Giant
weird.
crocodile.
Yeah.
A couple of tigers running around.
You definitely don't belong here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe the not koala. Kangaroo is to your right.
Did you tell us what got you started doing the Watch YouTube space? I don't know that I know your origin story.
Lockdown really. I mean, for some reason I wasn't allowed to coach someone 20 feet away outside
Oh wow.
That's ridiculous.
tennis, which was a joke. Yeah. You're right there. This is white knuckle, this is, isn't it?
Well, I've been through worse.
Yeah. Pittsburgh, dangerous.
Snow, lizards.
How is Pittsburgh?
It's lovely. It's got some extremes. The summers for a period are too hot, and the winters definitely too cold.
Really?
But spring and fall don't last nearly enough there.
What about crime?
I haven't been committing any since I was in LA, and it's a very strange question to ask.
Very good.
You know, I did most of my crime work in Los Angeles. Mostly because while my mom was alive in Pittsburgh, I didn't want her to see her son in jail.
Right.
Although to be fair, I'd much rather be in a Pittsburgh jail than in the LA one. But there's certain, like any city, there are certain parts of town that you ought not to venture in at night.
Right.
But yeah, speaking from a watch perspective,
Compared to Philly.
Philly can be rough. I've spent some time in Philly.
Yeah.
Not as much as you, but coming and going.
Yeah.
And did you spend much time in
Cars.
the watch district of Philadelphia? The little
near the
streets.
jewelry.
There's
Yeah.
a couple nice stores down there I like.
What's your thoughts of Philly then? You were there for a while.
Yeah, I loved it when I moved down there. So, is this recording?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you that.
We don't want anyone knowing.
Honestly, you don't have to.
I see 3 watch YouTubers and not 1 wristwatch chick. I want to see TGV's watches and what world timer is he getting and where is the schnitzel? They're close enough to Austria, they ought to be schnitzel. Ay carumba, they'll be back.
Hello. You made fun of me the other night. I didn't care for that on the FYI tip. Although to be fair, this fence isn't very robusto. You know what? The funny thing about Germany is I've been here for a week. Not one strudel, not one schnitzel. Wait a minute. Schnitzel Germany or... Is schnitzel Germany or is that Austria? Isn't Mozart... Wait a minute, hold on. Is Mozart German or from Austria?
You're a Mozart fan. It was Austria, you know.
Thank you, Sir Gary. Week. If you'd like to support the channel, head over to hobbyofhours.com. We've got artwork, coffee mugs, hats, t-shirts, and even a watch book. 1001 Watch Designs, Volume 1. Over 1,000 designs in here. Steampunk, super futuristic, kaleidoscope, even super real ones. Watches that you could probably put on your wrist today. It's a great way to support the channel. Thanks for coming along on the ride.